Hello everyone and welcome back to Unit 3, and we have completed the operators sections and we need to go through expressions now. But before going to expressions, there is an important topic that needs to be discussed, and it will be the basically the bridge between the expressions and the operators, you say. So the precedence and the associativity of the operators. So as in general purpose mathematics we use rules. You must have heard about the rule of Bode-Mark, that we need, if there is a mathematical expression, you need to solve the bracket first, then orders, then the division section, then the multiplication, addition and subtractions after that. So there is a preset of rules while we are calculating in mathematical expression, and similarly we have precedence and associativity for all the operators that we use in C. They are predefined, and there are pre-written set of rules that we need to follow. So that would be followed while evaluating a mathematical expression, or maybe the logical expression, or maybe any sort of C expression. So precedence is the rank of operator in which the operators should be executed. If there are more than one type of operator used in an expression, then which operator should be executed first or should be taken upon first. So this is about precedence and about associativity. So it is a direction of operation. So what do you mean by direction of operation? If you are using a single type of operator and you have used it multiple times, then which side should be executed first? Should it be from left to right or right to left? For say you have 4 to the power 3 to the power 2. In general purpose mathematics and in C language also, the power operator you can say is from the associativity has from the right hand side to the left hand side. So for calculating this, you need to calculate 3 to the power 2 first. That would be 9, and then 4 to the power 9 you need to calculate. Not the other way around. You cannot calculate, or you are not ought to calculate 4 to the power 3 first and then square it. Okay. So this was all about associativity and precedence, and this is the chart that is showing the precedence and the associativity and the category also. So the topmost has the highest precedence and the comma has the lowest precedence. Okay, so precedence level is going from bottom to top. So these operators have the highest precedence brackets, and there is postfix increment and decrement operator, and they are the prefix, the increment and decrement operator. You can see the associativity left to right, right to left. These all are the associativity related to them. And talking about, there are some operators that I have not taught you, like shift operator. And if you want to know about these operator or something like that you have not seen in the lecture, or you have not seen in the lecture, but you ought to know that, so you just need to Google it. So art of Googling is very important for a programmer. If you are not able to search properly, you won't be able to resolve most of your queries related to programming and the solving errors, and basically the art of Googling is very important for a programmer. So let's search this. I'm going to show you how you can search things like things in programming language. Suppose I need to search the shift operators. So I have written shift operator in C language, and there are few websites that I would like to name right now, including Geeks for Geeks, and there is Overstack Flow is there, it is right now. So Overstack Flow is there and Geeks for Geeks is there. For it you can see for Geeks there is a lot to learn. You can say you can get any query resolved here related to any programming language, not only C and C++. So what is shift operator? It takes two numbers, left shift the bit of the first operator and the second operand decides the number to the place to the shift. Basically, the shift operator what it does. It just shifts the binary number itself of an. It will first convert this number into binary and then will shift it. Then will shift it, just like you can see here. 22 has this binary number and it has just shifted it by it has just shifted it, and resulting binary number is then converted into a decimal number. You can study it properly. There are programs written for your for better understanding, and you can even run those programs, you can even edit those programs. You just need to first log in, obviously. And talking about the overstack flow, it is an, you can say, hub of developers who are, there are many developers over there. You can just post your query there and someone is going to answer that. Okay. It is a very big family over there. So it was all about the precedence, and we are in next video we are going to verify this chart, or maybe play with it a bit, checking the associativity and the precedence itself. So see you in the next video.